1 billion years ago, this world was given its name, not described, not catalogued, named, placed on the physical registries of Nebadon, assigned its coordinates, its mass confirmed, its orbit around Sun number 1,013,572, and in that moment, in the formal language of a universe that keeps perfect records, the entry was written, Urantia. But to understand what that naming meant, you have to understand what the planet was before it had a name. And what it was hidden. 2 billion years ago, Urantia was fire. The entire surface resembled its original molten state. Volcanic action erupted on a global scale. Everywhere, without pause, without rest. The interior heat, fed by buried radioactive elements, drove the crust into a state of continuous reformation. Nothing solidified long enough to hold. Meteors still fell. Each one added heat. Each one added to the weight of a world that was not yet ready to be a world. Then it began to rain. Not cooling rain. Hot rain falling on hot rock, steaming on contact, evaporating before it could accumulate. But it kept falling. The water fell and returned to vapor and fell again. And gradually the accumulation began to win. The steam did not clear. It built. One vast continuous envelope wrapped the planet, pole to pole, every surface hidden beneath a ceiling of water vapor so complete. The sun above shone as it always had, and none of its light reached the ground below. For thousands of years, the surface never saw daylight. 1 billion years ago, the steam condensed. Water fell and stayed. It found the low places and filled them. It spread. A worldwide ocean formed, covering the planet to an average depth of over 1 mile. The volcanic glow was gone. It was now blue. The first great continental land mass rose from the ocean floor, bare rock, still warm, still faintly smoking in places. The planet had a surface, it had an ocean, and then it had a name, Urantia. The moment the universe acknowledged that this cooling, ocean-covered body orbiting an unremarkable sun in Monmatia had become itself. 950 million years ago, Urantia was assigned to the system of Sultania. Then 900 million years ago, a commission arrived. 24 beings descended to this ancient bare rock world. They moved across the surface with methodical purpose. They examined the ocean, chemistry, the atmospheric composition, the tidal behavior, the mineral content of the exposed rock, still warm to the touch in places, still settling into configurations it would hold for a billion years. They were not tourists, they were assessors. And they had seen thousands of worlds at exactly this stage. The report was favorable. Urantia was entered on the life experiment registry. The permission to bring life was being prepared. 2 billion years of fire, thousands of years of steam, 1 billion years of cooling. A name, a registration, a scouting party. The record does not end here. It opens. What arrived on this world next was not rock, not water. Not heat. What came next was life. This is Earth Origins, the documented history of our world. If this record is one you wish to continue, the next century is waiting. Subscribe. The archive is open.